Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. So for today's episode, let's talk about the affordable wireless microphone, the K9 wireless microphone, and this Q8 magnetic lavalier mic. These two wireless microphone niya is compatible or designed for phones, MacBook, notebooks that have compatible ports. They have promise, clear timbre, high sensitivity, wide compatibility, plug and play convenience, and also has noise cancellation, especially if you're like doing content outside or when you are making your content or recording voice na grabe yung background noise, better to. Nakaka-minimize to ng noise. Kaya nga, meron siyang noise cancellation features. And also, 20 meters of reception and up to 10 hours battery life. But what do you think, or which one is actually better for you? Let's find out. Hello! So let's talk about this K9 wireless microphone. Wala na akong box kasi tinapon ko na siya. 3 weeks ago ko pa to binili. So, but I have videos about this K9 wireless microphone. You can watch my previous video. And just simple. Look, the receiver and the mic itself. So, nung dumating itong K9 wireless microphone ko, it came with this charging cable. It is a Type-C. And the receiver and the mic itself. So, when you check out this product, you have an option for Type-C and iPhone, and also if you wanted to have two mic, you have an option also. But I just ordered this one mic only. Currently, I'm using my phone speaker or mic. So let's test this K9 wireless microphone. So it's just plug and play. What you have to do, you have to plug this receiver to your phone port, which is charging port ng phone mo. Kung USB Type-C, doon mo ipa-plug. Okay, let's try it. Okay, tina-plug ko na siya. Yan. So again, hello! So, I'm now using this K9 wireless microphone. So, to turn it on, you have to press at least 5 to 8 seconds this power button at the back. Kapag kapag red indicator yan, it means hindi pa siya connected successfully. Kapag green na siya, it means connected na siya successfully. Diba, ang ganda ng voice? O, napaka-loud ng kanyang voice. And also, it has features of what do you call the reverb. So, for the reverb, what you have to do just to double-click the power button. Hello! Nasa reverb na tayo. So, kung nag-live kayo na kumakanta or gusto nyo ganitong type ng audio, so what you have to do, just press twice the power button. And kung gusto mo naman ibalik sa normal voice, what you have to do is just press it again. Ayan, nasa normal na ulit. Napakaganda nitong K9 wireless microphone. Mura lang bili ko nito. So, isi-share ko yung link sa comment section kung gusto nyo mag-order nitong K9 wireless microphone. So, again, it has a noise cancellation features. Yung noise cancellation features niya is hindi naman talaga totally natatanggal lahat ng background noise. May mga natitira pa, mga background noise, pero hindi na siya ganun ka-loud or hindi na ganun kaingay. Napakaganda nito. And also, it has 10 hours battery life. So, follow mo lang yung instructions sa manual kung paano siya i-charge. Napaka-easy lang naman. Ang gagawin mo lang is sasalpak mo lang tong cable, charging cable dito sa UFC, rather UFC. Napapalala ko. Dito sa Type-C port. Tapos, lalagyan mo sa main cable, rather sa charging port mo. Tapos, matik na yung mag-charge. Kapag nag-blink na red, it means nag-charge na yung mic mo. At kapag nag-green na, it means full charge na yung mic. And also, napakaganda rin ang kanyang reverb features, diba? And 20 meters reception. It means kahit nasa 20 meters ka nadidetect or kaya pa rin ng reception nito. So next, atin namang to check ang isa pa nating product, which is yung Q8 Magnetic Lavalier mic. So ngayon, gamit na naman natin ang ating phone speaker or mic. So kahapon lang ito na-deliver itong ating Q8 Magnetic Lavalier mic. So kapag bumili ka, so may kasama na, dalawa na yung kanyang mic at kanyang receiver, and also it has a charging station. So makikita mo sa charging station yung battery life ng iyong wireless microphone. And kapag nireceive mo ito, naka-box. So, syempre, kapag in-unbox mo siya, ganyan. So, sa loob ng box, itong kanyang charging station. So, sa loob ng kanyang charging station, nakalagay itong dalawang mic at kanyang receiver. So, ito yung display na makikita mo yung ilang percent na ba yung battery life ng iyong wireless microphone. And then, meron din siya kasama siyang charging cable. Ito. Charging cable. Ito. Color black din. And of course, meron siyang manual. Diba? Manual. So, dito mo lahat makikita kung paano gamitin itong ating Q8 Magnetic Lavalier mic. So, tara, itest na natin. So, ito na nga yung ating Q8 Magnetic Lavalier mic. So, same lang din sa ating K9 wireless microphone. Ipa-plug mo lang itong receiver sa port ng phone mo. Let's do it now. Yan, press mo lang siya at least 5 to 8 seconds. Kapag ganito na yung light indicator, it means connected na yan. So ito yung boses natin using this Q8 Magnetic Lavalier mic. Hello, so I'm now using this Q8 Magnetic Lavalier mic. So based sa manual, ito yung normal voice with noise cancellation na to. Ang gagawin mo para sa reverb is 3-click to, itong power button. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Okay, perfect na. Nasa reverb na tayo. So, maganda rin yung reverb niya. Parang kagaya lang din sa K9 wireless microphone. And kung gusto mo ibalik sa normal voice, i-power off mo muna to. Ayan, bumalik na sa normal voice. So, pag power up, just long press at least 5 to 8 seconds. Tapos kapag turn on, same lang din, 5 to 8 seconds. At what do you think? Kung ano yung mas better na sound quality? Ito bang Q8 magnetic lavalier mic natin or yung ating K9 wireless microphone? Ito kasi medyo low yung kanyang audio, pero okay naman yung quality ng sounds niya. Pero dito naman sa ating K9 wireless microphone, napaka-loud ng sounds. Maganda rin yung kanyang quality ng sounds, di ba? Isa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa ating Q8 magnetic lavalier mic natin, detachable yung kanyang clip at saka mic kasi may magnet. Napakakapit na kanyang magnet. So, gagawin mo lang, lalagay mo yung clip sa likod ng damit mo, tapos, ayan, kumakapit na. Di ba, napaka-shala tingnan, napakaganda. Tapos, kung gusto mo naman clip lang, ito, i-clip lang rather, i-clip mo muna sa damit mo, tapos, ayan, touch na. Parang, preferred ko talaga is nakatago yung kanyang clip. So, ganyan. Yan. Diba? Perfect. Social. Tingnan. So, these two microphones have the same features nga. Noise cancellation. Yung noise cancellation nila, hindi naman totally natatanggal lahat ng background noise, nalalasan lang. And also, it has reverb features or reverb voice. Perfect siya kapag gusto mo mag-videoke sa live mo. And also, it has 20 meters of reception and 10 hours battery life. Pinagkaiba niya lang is this Q8 magnetic lavalier mic natin, may charging station siyang kasama, tapos dalawang mic na at kanyang receiver. At nakikita mo yung battery life dito sa screen na ito, na yung mic mo. And itong K9 wireless microphone, may option kang bumili na isang mic lang or dalawa. And pareho silang may options pagdating sa port for Type-C and for iPhone. And dito sa ating K9 wireless microphone, yung kanyang voice is napaka-loud. Maganda rin yung quality ng voice niya. While dito sa ating Q8, okay naman yung quality ng voice niya. However, hindi siya ganun ka-loud compared dito sa ating K9 wireless microphone. So, what do you think is the best for you? This K9 wireless microphone or itong ating Q8 magnetic lavalier mic? I-share ko sa comment section yung link kung saan kayo pwede bumili nito.